What's up, ladies and gents? Out here at the lake, the docks are in, and I'm gonna try using my Panoptics again because I haven't got to use it much. So we're gonna see what we can catch. Got some minnows, night crawlers, live bait, and yeah, we're gonna do it to it. Alright, ladies and gents, moment of truth. The dock hopper. I bought one of these poles. No, I'm not rich. I'm poor from spending money on fishing. I bought the longest one because I was going to use it for something I wasn't planning to use it on, but dude, why are there so many bugs? It's a little windy. Oh, Jeebus. Yeah, see how long that is? I think it's like 80 inches. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. So this is supposed to be the side, or kind of like side imaging, I guess. And so these are a bunch of fish. That's a big fish. That's big, whatever that is. Okay, that's a bunch of fish just sitting right in front of me here, probably below that dock. It's pretty dope. Just need to get this to stay, which would be nice, but maybe I can hook it into here. There we go. Let me rig this up quick. Dang wind, man. Can it not be windy for once? So they're about on the bottom. So if I make this like really deep with just a split shot here, we're gonna try it. Okay, so that looks like it is right here. They're going after it. That looks like a catfish down there on the right, going off the bottom. Crapper. Eh. First fish. It's a fish. Okay, let's try it. Testing. Test 1 billion. Oh shit. That big crappie, dude. Dude. No! Frick! Well, at least we saw them, right? That was a tank. That was a damn tank. That deserves a drink. Can't believe he came off, dude. That was a tank. Back out at the lake, gonna try catching some more stuff. Yep, gonna see what we can do. Tim's here with me, and we got some minnows, and we're gonna see if we can catch some more crappie. So yeah, let's get to it. Oakley dokley, let's get some minnows. That's a big chubby boy. Damn, this water is cold in the bucket. Okay, dropping her down, same as yesterday. It's slower than a split shot for some reason. Time to wait.
Oh, they used to come in when I
got. Oh, is that the big crop? Was that bass?
That's a bass. Yeah, that's a largemouth.
Oh, we're going, right?
Woo-hoo.
Nice.
Don't let him spit.
No, I hope not. Not like yesterday. That's
a decent.
Not bad for. Ow.
Decent.
That's pretty good.
That was an easy off.
Bye.
Boop. We could go get him.
Yeah, I let all of them back because I'm a good person.
No, the tis were.
Outback was like that. I took my parents there for their anniversary.
You get one? That's a white
White
perch.
Really? How big do they get?
Maybe like
twice
this.
that long.
This big, maybe.
Really?
That's what all those smaller marks are on there. All marks on there.
Oh,
those little tiny
watch,
things.
watch, watch. No! Is that my minnow just swimming away?
It could be.
There's a big mark up here. Oh my.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go check. I thought I'd stop in my thing.
Happy early Mother's Day. Crappie. Mom's like, ugh.
Sorry.
Fish smack to the face.
Boat
Well, I
flipped
got a
her.
little juice there.
Boat flipped her.
Yippee! Channel crat.
Alright. She's in the water, but
You gonna come party tonight?
yeah, I'm gonna go.
Aw.
Come back tomorrow and clean it's a mess.
Where's the pupper?
In the truck.
Well, you have a good night.
Yeah, you too. Good luck.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was cool.
Is that a hot chick jogging?
She's coming down to her boy time. Actually, there's two guys in hoodies. So.
Three-way. Yeah, dude, there's not much over here.
Yeah, I dropped on that side and all of a sudden it was just like little kitty.
Let me look here. There's a couple clusters up here towards the top, 4 foot down.
I don't even know how far down I was. I was just kind of going for it.
This way, where you're at. Oh, I just got smoked. I felt that.
Oh, come on!
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, what is it?
It's a little crappie.
Little crap?
I just lost another one.
Yeah. What is this, number 2? 3? 3?
Crop.
Well, I mean,
Right there.
4 fish? Something hang on the bottom. Oh, we got something. No!
Let's go again, huh?
What the Sorry, Mr. Minner. It definitely sounds Mexi, dude. They might be legit.
It is, bro.
Hmm?
I said it is Mexican.
It's legit. Oh. Oh!
Really?
What is that? Walter? No, channel. Is that the same channel?
No,
They're
a different one.
they're heating up. You croaky. You croak.
Catfishing might be good tonight.
Yeah. You croaky boy. Don't poke me, please. That is sharp. You croaky boy.
Oh, look at there. I still have my minnow. That's weird.
Yeah, they're picking up. What time is it? 7 almost. You got a crapper? Nice.
Got a crapper.
Oh, there's a big fish down there. It just went away. There's some crappie though, like, I don't know, 4 foot down. Get one? Bass? Crappie?
Walter.
Walter?
Oh, Walter.
Wally!
Wally.
Wally World. Now we need a 10 pounder. I feel like they're heating up.
Mm-hmm.
7 o'clock
Last hour and a half.
on the dot.
Oh, that pulled that sucker off the bottom.
What? Oh no! Just dropped my minnow.
And he's gone. Oh,
Get him?
gone again.
I'm gonna drop back
There's
down.
that big blob right in front that decided to go away. Oh, dang it.
Oh, we got some coming in.
I lost a decent amount of minnows today.
Yeah.
I'm kind of disappointed in myself. Works.
Should I throw this big bitch out? I just want to see what it feels like.
Oh, cluster.
Cluster. Wow, dude, look how real that looks.
That looks really real.
I know. It's impressive. What is that supposed to be? Shad? Doesn't look like a shad, but okay. Adjustable sink rate. How does that work? Walter? Nice. Is that the same one? It could be.
I don't know. They're all about this size inside here.
There's some 10.
Some bigger ones, but not in this shallow water, it seems like.
I don't know. I feel like we caught bigger ones last year.
Come on, don't make me put my hand inside your... Oh, you can keep that one.
Boop.
Nice. The Walters are moving in.
Yes, sir. Time to use that big swim bait. Oh, another walleye?
Yeah.
Damn, why am I not? That's bigger.
That is bigger because he's fat.
Yeah.
Oh, and it flared.
What?
Like as soon as I grabbed it, it flared its gills.
Oh. Where are you at, the bottom?
Yeah. Those ones that are on the bottom there?
Oh, I just got tapped.
Yeah?
I think I'm like right here.
Yeah, you're up higher.
Yeah. Oh,
Those are
I got hit
way
again.
bigger marks.
Got hit again.
You're slack.
I know.
Well, you were slack. This is the way to go.
Oh, he took my bait. Damn it.
You were up high?
Yeah. Should I just put it this? Oh, that guy was still alive? He looked like he was dead as shit. I got a tank gill, or a tank, not a gill, Jesus. Tank minnow. Dropping her. Big toad.
Mine way on the bottom.
I'm gonna go drop
If I
it.
can pull something up. Ooh.
Where am I? Oh, I see it falling. Something just went for it. I'm like right here, I think.
See, this is me.
Oh, well, where am I?
You are...
We're like right by each other, dude. I'm right here. I'm right above you. I'm getting, well, something's playing with him. I don't know, I just feel like it's so much simpler without the sonar.
Okay, let's
like,
see if this...
Like, I don't mess with shit. I just
the shit works.
have fun, you know what I mean? On the boat. Oh, got one.
Yeah? Oh.
Damn!
Nice crop, bro.
Yeah, that's a keep, but I'm not keeping.
Keeper. There we go.
Get it?
Yep.
Damn. Oh.
Don't hook it in the belly. Shit. Take some picture of it.
Have him come down. Oh. Oh, yeah. I see that. That's cool.
Gill.
My minnow fell off.
That's a good size one, dude.
Yeah, from what we've...
That's definitely a keeper.
Bye, bud. Oh. Got one. I was just bouncing right off the bottom. Walleye.
Nice.
My first Walter this year, I think. Or wait. Did I catch... Oh, I caught that one on the boat at Wildwood. Dude, he's psycho. Chill. No, I mean his back. Like his back stabbies. I'm a bitch after hooking myself. What?
Here's your minnow.
Little Walter. Whoop. Well, at least we're catching shit, or, well, you'll catch shit. Poor guy. Should I put him back on or let him live?
Minnow?
Yeah.
Let him go, dude.
I feel bad.
He's had a rough life. He's been in 2 fish's mouth.
What?
That's a good one.
What is that?
I have no idea.
It's gotta be a flatty, dude. Or a big channel. Yeah, that's
probably flatty, bro.
You feel it? It's like side to side. Do you want me to grab it?
Oh, dude.
Want me to grab its mouth?
Dude, just please. keep recording.
I am.
I feel it. Oh my god, yep, side to side, right there.
Yeah.
That's a flatty.
I'm surprised they're out getting food that bad.
Come on, do not break.
Oh, that didn't sound
Do you
good.
hear it thump?
Yeah. How big do you think?
Oh,
Oh, shit balls.
this is gonna be a battle, dude.
I know, I just don't want you to step on my shit here.
Come on. Oh!
Oh, man. Seriously? Oh my god. What?
It came off.
Seriously?
Came off. The hook came out. God damn it, dude.
I'm surprised that hook didn't bend. That sucks. So we both lost flatties?